niggas, let me tell you something. Stop going to jail thinking it's everybody else's job to bond you out. Now, the first time, cool, mistakes happen. But if your ass in jail every other week, you might as well live there. Now, my cousin called me the other day talking about, yeah, cuz I'm in jail. I said, I know, motherfucker, I got call ID. Man, I know the family disappointed in me. To tell you the truth, ain't nobody even noticed your ass was missing. It's been quiet around here. The murder rate went down, the plants and shit been growing. What the fuck you want? Yeah, I was thinking if y'all can come buying me out until I get on my feet. I know you weren't thinking no shit like that. I know your ass my whole life, and I ain't never seen you on your feet. And one thing I never get in the way of is the will of God. He trying to teach you a lesson. Your ass been out here hustling all these years and you can't bond yourself out? What the fuck you been selling? The money? Maybe you need to sit your ass in there till you figure out the art of hustling. Ain't nobody finna keep playing with you. Fuck you.